You've probably dreamed of becoming a millionaire. But let's be honest, dreaming won't get you there. It's action, strategy, and a willingness to change everything about how you think and act. The year 2025 is here, and this is your moment to make it happen. Imagine yourself standing on a bridge. Behind you lies everything familiar: comfort zones, bad habits, self-doubt. Ahead is a future where financial freedom isn't just a wish, it's reality. But this bridge isn't easy to cross. Most people get stuck halfway because they don't know the steps or don't have the courage to take them. This video will change that. By the end, you'll have a clear, actionable plan to become a millionaire in 2025. Stay until the end. You won't want to miss the single most important principle that separates the successful from everyone else: the mindset shift. Every great journey starts with a shift in perspective. Ask yourself this: why do some people seem to attract wealth like a magnet while others struggle endlessly? The answer lies in a concept called value creation. Picture this: two friends, Sarah and James, both work hard. Sarah spends her days doing tasks anyone could learn. Her efforts are valuable, but not irreplaceable. James, on the other hand, focuses on solving big problems, ones that matter deeply to people and businesses. Who earns more? James, because the value he provides is exponential. The first step to becoming a millionaire isn't about working harder. It's about working smarter by solving bigger problems. Think about how you can impact the world in ways others can't or won't. Step 1. Find your value zone. Here's where it gets personal. Take out a piece of paper and draw a simple Venn diagram with 3 circles. What you love to do. These are the things that light you up: writing, coding, designing, mentoring. Whatever you can do for hours without noticing the time. What you're great at. These are your natural talents and acquired skills. Maybe you're a great negotiator, an exceptional problem solver, or a gifted storyteller. What the market will pay for. These are the services or products people are willing to spend money on right now. The sweet spot where these 3 circles overlap is called your value zone. That's where you'll create wealth. Most people fail because they focus on just 1 or 2 circles. They love what they do but can't make money from it. Or they chase trends without leveraging their strengths. For example, a young entrepreneur loved fitness, was skilled in social media marketing, and noticed a demand for affordable, customized workout plans. Combining these, they built a $1 million business within 2 years. The value zone works. It's a millionaire's compass. Step 2. Choose the right vehicle. Once you know your value zone, it's time to pick the vehicle that will take you to millionaire status. Think of this as the type of business or career path you'll commit to. There are 2 main types of vehicles. Active income vehicles. These are businesses or jobs where you exchange time and expertise for money. Passive income vehicles. Investments or businesses that generate money without constant effort once established. The key is to start with an active vehicle, like a high-income skill or service-based business. This could be freelancing, consulting, or even content creation. Build this vehicle with minimal costs. Focus on skills and tools you already have. For example, a graphic designer could start freelancing on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. A programmer could offer custom solutions for small businesses. The point is to generate a consistent cash flow first. Step 3. Invest wisely. Active income will get you started, but passive income builds wealth. Think of your active income as a seed and your investments as the fertile soil where that seed grows. Start simple. Invest in low-cost index funds like the S&P 500. Consider dividend-paying stocks to generate regular returns. Explore real estate crowdfunding or rental properties if you have the capital. Here's a story to illustrate. A teacher saved $10,000 from tutoring on the side. Instead of spending it, they invested in dividend stocks, reinvesting the returns. Over 10 years, that $10,000 grew to over $100,000, thanks to compounding. Imagine what could happen if you started with $50,000 or $100,000 in 2025. Step 4. Master the art of focus. Here's a harsh truth. Most people fail to become millionaires not because they lack potential, but because they spread themselves too thin. Focus is your greatest ally. Imagine a laser beam versus a flashlight. The flashlight spreads light everywhere but doesn't penetrate deeply. A laser, focused on one point, can cut through steel. Your efforts must be like a laser. Cut out distractions. Social media scrolling, endless Netflix binges, and low-value activities are stealing your future. Instead, allocate time for learning, building, and growing. Dedicate 1 to 2 hours daily to mastering skills or scaling your business. Step 5. Leverage technology and networks. 2025 is the age of leverage. Technology and networks amplify your efforts, making it easier to achieve more in less time. Here's how. Leverage technology. Use AI tools, automation, and software to streamline your workflow. Tools like ChatGPT can handle customer queries, while platforms like Shopify automate e-commerce. Leverage networks. Build relationships with people who inspire and challenge you. A strong network connects you to opportunities, partnerships, and insights. One entrepreneur built a $1 million dropshipping store by automating the supply chain and leveraging influencers to promote products. Technology and networks did 80% of the work. Step 6. Build a scalable system. A millionaire doesn't just trade time for money. They create systems that work without them. Ask yourself, can your business run without you? Take inspiration from franchises like McDonald's. They don't just sell burgers. They've perfected a system that allows anyone to replicate their success. Your goal is to create something scalable, whether it's an online course, a subscription service, or a digital product. Step 7. Adopt a long-term mindset. Becoming a millionaire isn't about quick wins. It's about sustainable growth. The biggest financial success stories are built on patience and consistency. Take Warren Buffett, one of the wealthiest people in the world. Most of his fortune came after the age of 50. Why? Compounding works over time. Start early, stay consistent, and trust the process. 2025 is your year, but only if you take action. Remember these steps. Find your value zone, choose the right income vehicle, invest wisely, master focus, leverage technology and networks, build scalable systems, and adopt a long-term mindset. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.